birthday, America!
Hey, did you know that Captain America was born on the 4th of July?
No way!
Yes.
Cool fact!
And she
sure he
literally had
was.
to like go around telling people, yeah, my birthday's the 4th of July and I'm Captain America.
Celebrate my birthday every year.
Very appropriate.
Did you light it on the bloodstain?
It's his uncle named Sam.
Shut up.
That was clever, come on.
No, it was. Yeah, another one.
Next.
We should give it a little
I'll
time.
do one. Why?
Because there's smoke.
I like that. Well, it's going away actually already.
It's fine. It's not gonna like.
You don't have to record everything.
Yes, I do.
Just
Watch
excited.
it with your own
It's your,
eyes.
It's your first time
Memories,
watching
man.
fireworks.
Yeah, watch it with your eyes.
I am.
Ooh, is this gonna be a big one?
I hope so.
Yeah. Wait,
Right,
it's
do
next to that one.
Oh,
shit.
hell yeah.
You guys are idiots.
Cool. Hey,
Freaking
yeah,
yes.
that one you just lit. It's not gonna go anymore.
There could still be leftover gunpowder in it.
Who's paranoid now?
Yeah, because
It
you
looks
don't
cool
do
with
that.
the freeze.
It's got so many different colors.
It's so nice.
Oh, say,
It was-
can you see? Oh, fuck, that was loud.
It's like a feather fire.
That's
That's really
that's
cool.
just straight up